Hey, my name is Vipin Kumar, and in today's session, we are focusing on building continuous deployment on AWS Elastic Beanstalk with Jenkins. We will cover below topics in today's class: building up Tomcat platform on AWS Beanstalk, integrated Jenkins with AWS Beanstalk plugins, and finally we are going to deploy apps on AWS Beanstalk with Jenkins. So let's begin. So before building up the application on AWS Beanstalk, let me explain you what is a Beanstalk. Beanstalk is a platform as a service where you can build a platform of your choice like Tomcat, Apache, or any other platform and deploy your code there. You don't really require to worry about underlayer infrastructure of Beanstalk. You just need to deploy your application code over there to bring up your application online. Let's go ahead and build up a sample application on AWS Beanstalk. You can see here at this moment I don't have any application hosted on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Go ahead and create a new application. Give the application name. Now create a environment. Select web server environment and give the environment name. I am creating a pet clinic development environment. You can create a multiple environment for same application. For example, you can run different version of application in development environment and different version of application in production environment for same pet clinic application. For demonstration, I'm just selecting development environment. Now go ahead and select a platform. Since my demo application are written in a Springboard language, so I do require a Tomcat platform to run it on server side. So I'm selecting a Tomcat platform and I selected application code sample application. Go ahead and create environment. It is going to take a few minutes. You can watch all the events and you can see what is going in behind. As soon as you launch any application on Elastic Beanstalk, it is going to create a EC2 instance corresponding for the apps. Now you can see here Pet Clinic development environment is ready to use. We can try to access this environment by using this URL. Currently, Tomcat is serving a sample application code that looks like this. As I explained earlier, Beanstalk is going to create a EC2 instance for their apps. Now you can see here Pet Clinic development instance is created and it is in ready stage. Also, you required a S3 storage location to deploy Beanstalk apps code over there. So we are going to deploy and upload application code on this location by using Jenkins. Jenkins is going to create a folder called Pet Clinic Development and deploy and upload application code in it. After that, Jenkins will point out this application code to the Beanstalk application. So at this moment, your Beanstalk application is ready. Now let's go ahead and configure the Beanstalk plugins in Jenkins. This is my Jenkins environment. Go ahead and click on Manage Jenkins. Click on Manage Plugins. Go ahead and search available plugins. Search Beanstalk plugins. Since Beanstalk plugins already installed on my machine, so we can search these plugins in a installation section. So now you can see here AWS Elastic Beanstalk Publisher plugins is already installed on my machine. Go ahead and install this plugin on your machine. You don't require to install AWS Elastic Beanstalk development plugins. We are going to use AWS Elastic Beanstalk Publisher plugins. Once you installed on your machine, go back into the Manage Jenkins. Go to in the configuration system, go to AWS Elastic Beanstalk section and provide AWS access key and secret key for your AWS account. I'm not going to be explain how to get access key and secret key from the AWS account. There are ton of the articles is available. Go ahead and collect your access key and secret key and configure over here. Now go back your project. I have created a pet clinic project for this demonstration. Click on pet clinic, collecting the source code from my GitHub account, and I'm using a simple build process. In the post build action, give your attention here. Click on get credential name. You can get credential name. Select from here. You can match your credentials. This credential is coming when we configured our AWS access key and secret key in plugins section. AWS region. Select your region where your Beanstalk application is hosted. So now you can see here my application is hosted on North Virginia, that is coming in East 1. Go ahead and click on drop down box and select appropriate AWS region. Application name. Click on get available application. I have only single application over there, that is Pet Clinic. Copy and paste here. Now go ahead and click on get available environment. Go ahead and select Pet Clinic Dev environment. That's okay. Now version level format. You can give any format. For the simplicity, I am using Pet Clinic version 1.0. Click on additional behavior and configure your S3 location. Give the S3 bucket name. You can get S3 bucket name from here. This is your S3 bucket name. Copy this bucket name here and paste here. S3 key prefix. It means that Jenkins is going to create a folder called pet clinic underscore dev under this S3 bucket. Select a file or directory which you want to deploy on your Beanstalk application. Jenkins is going to upload this file or directory in zip format on S3 location. After that, Jenkins is going to point out your Beanstalk application to this location. Go ahead and save it. Now go ahead and click on Build Now. Look at the console output. So now you can see here currently Jenkins is uploading a WAR file on the AWS S3 location. It is going to take some time, depends on your file size. Now you can see here environment found and updating environment to the new updated code. It is just finishing the updating the environment with new updated code. Okay, it has been successfully completed. Let's go ahead and verify in Elastic Beanstalk console. Now you can see here running version Pad Clinic 1.0. Let's go ahead and try to access the application on the browser. Great guys, you did a good job here. If you remember in the starting, the Tomcat was serving a sample application. Now it is serving a real application which we deployed with Jenkins. Jenkins is going to deploy or upload application version control code into S3 location. So look at here, it created a pet clinic dev folder. Under that, it created a zip file with a proper version control. Guys, you did a great job. Let's take one more scenario. After few days, the developers made some modification in the application and they want us to compiling and packaging and deploy the new version of the code in Beanstalk environment. Let's go ahead. I am modifying the code in my GitHub location. I am modifying the welcome.jsp page. I just modifying the welcome content with version 1.1. Go ahead and save it. Okay. Now go back into the pet clinic in the project. Go in the configuration. Go in the post build action. Give the level version 1.1. Now you don't require to go ahead and manually provide version control every time. It is going to pick up automatically build tag. Okay, go ahead and save it, and now go ahead and play build now process. Jenkins has been completed a job. Let's go ahead and verify the changes on Beanstalk application. So currently the old version was showing this information on the page. If you remember that we modified the welcome section with welcome version 1.1. If I refresh this application, I should see the latest and updated welcome section. Let's go ahead and refresh it. Great. Now you can see here welcome version 1.1 has been updated as per our new code deployed in our GitHub account by the developers or by yourself. Great. You did a great job. Let's verify same on S3 storage location. We are here. Let me go ahead and refresh it. Now you can see here new updated code has been updated deployed over here. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.